Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I wish I felt as strong as I used to? Maybe you miss the days when you could lift your grandkids, carry groceries with ease, or take a long walk without getting tired. I know exactly how that feels. The truth is, after 50, it's easy to think building back our strength is just a dream from the past. But what if I told you? There is one food, hiding in plain sight, that's scientifically proven to help rebuild muscle after 50. Stick with me, because I'm about to reveal the most powerful food you're probably overlooking. And no, it's not some fancy superfood or an expensive supplement. This food is humble, affordable, and found in almost every kitchen. It's the incredible egg. Yes, eggs. Simple, right? But here's why they're a game changer for seniors. Eggs contain the highest quality protein you can get, packed with all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build muscle. And after 50, our bodies don't process protein as efficiently, so getting the right source matters more than ever. One large egg has about 6 grams of protein, but it's the type of protein that really counts. The amino acids in eggs are almost perfectly balanced for human needs, meaning your muscles can actually use them right away to recover and grow stronger. Plus, eggs are loaded with vitamins like B12 and D, both crucial for energy and bone health, especially as we age. I know some of you might worry about cholesterol, but recent research shows that for most people, eating eggs in moderation is not only safe, it's actually beneficial. In fact, the healthy fats in eggs help support your brain and heart. So you're not just building muscle, you're investing in your overall health. So, how do you make the most of this superfood? Try starting your day with a couple of eggs, boiled, scrambled, or poached. Pair them with veggies for extra nutrients and fiber. Little by little, you'll notice a difference, not just in your strength, but in your confidence and energy. If you've made it this far, I want to hear from you. Have you tried adding more eggs to your diet? Or do you have another go-to food for staying strong after 50? Drop a comment below. I read everyone, and your story might just inspire someone else. Remember, it's never too late to start rebuilding. You deserve to feel strong,